Local news for Thursday the 17th of January. The Ministry for Primary Industries are hosting a public meeting today on the Dairy Industry Restructuring Act. MPI wants views on how the DIRA impacts the dairy industry's performance and also to review the discussion document. One person has died following an accident on Millers Road in Carterton yesterday morning. Emergency services were called out at about 5:45. The road closed for some time as a serious crash unit investigated. Masterton's first of 4 night markets will take place tomorrow night in Park Street. The market will feature everything from food to arts and crafts and plenty of fun things to do for the entire family. And in sport, in softball this weekend, the Major B women are away to Hutt City and the Presidents will host their annual anniversary weekend tournament. Good luck to all those involved.